Welcome back to C&H Farms. Today we are finishing up corn harvest 2023. So we're switching to the 9RT. So we've been having some issues with audio here and recording. So we're just gonna end up finishing this field. We'll do a quick time lapse and then we'll do more in depth of how we wrap up harvest. So we just finished that field. We're heading back with the grain cart back to the semi, and we are officially done with corn harvest 2023. So driving the grain cart back to the farm now. Got it all unloaded in the semi, then we'll grab the semi, and then from there just the combine, and then that will be it. Unloading the semi now. That's gonna be about it for the first hopper. Now the second one. There we go. And that's the last time we'll be using this semi for a long time, unless we're hauling something or something else. I don't know what else we would even use it for. But other than harvest, we do not use this. Oh, we use this for moving cows. That's an important one, but we don't have to do that a lot. So this semi is gonna be sitting in the shop, gonna get it fixed up, get it ready for next harvest season. And last but not least, the combine. So gotta get the pipe folded in, the header folded. This X9 was very big upgrade from a S series that we were using last year. So very nice combine, highly recommend it. Got a little dirty, but we did use it a lot. So yeah, very good upgrade. Washing it off now, because as you can tell, this thing got crazy dirty. A lot of mud and dirt on this thing. A lot of it looks to be coming off pretty good, so shouldn't have to do a crazy in-depth cleaning this year. Gotta get the header cleaned, obviously. A little bit out of reach, but just gonna have to stretch the cord a bit. And there we go, that looks very clean also. So let's get this backed up into the shop. We'll obviously readjust, do our winter maintenance on all the vehicles we use for harvest. But other than that, gotta turn this off. we'll look at our yield, how we did for harvest 2023 here. Precision farming. So here we are. These are all the fields I own. So pH, nitrogen. Okay, so here's what's really important. So for the huge cornfield, this is all one huge field. We got mostly probably 115, 120 for this cornfield. And then over here, this was a little poor, around 80 probably. This was a soybean field. The soybean field probably did around 100, maybe a little less. And then for sorghum we did pretty good on 115, I would say. This is the cornfield we just did. This one was probably one of the not as good ones. This was only probably around 90 to 100. And then the other soybean field, very small field, so probably only probably around the 90 to 100 range again. And we also have to do alfalfa, one last cutting this year. So yeah, overall, very, very good harvest, and we'll see you in the next video. C&H Farms. One more thing, checking on the liters of every single crop we got. We got 1,041,000 liters of corn. That's absolutely crazy. Soybeans 138,000 and sorghum 131. And that's it.